I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jay-Z.
This is just my DIY.
Today we're going to bring you an easy DIY project. We're going to show you how to make your own DIY bench cushion.
Once you have all the materials on hand, maybe takes about an hour.
Yep, and just 4 simple steps, so we're going to show you how to do it right now.
First, measure the bench. Subtract about a 1/4 inch in total off of the total lengths and widths, and use whatever saws you have to cut it to the measurements.
Next, we start with the foam. I had an old bench cushion that I'm actually just going to steal the foam out of. I wish I'd realized there was a zipper. Though the foam is nearly the right size, I did end up trimming a little bit off the ends with some scissors, and then I used spray adhesive. Press it down. Now, make sure you're working on a clean work surface. Lay out your batting, fold, and start stapling. You don't have to worry about being too neat with this, but you do want to make sure there are no lumps. You can use a hammer to tap in any staples that don't go in all the way. Now it's time for fabric. Lay your fabric face side down and make sure that the cushion is in the center of your fabric. Then, same as before, you're just going to fold and staple, paying special attention to the corners. You'll see that I did the short sides first so all the corners could match. I'll show you how I did a corner when we get to the one closest to the camera. For the corner, I first practice folding the fabric until I'm sure I can get a clean outside line. Then, cut away the excess, fold, and staple. Once I flipped it over, I did smooth it out just a little bit to ensure that everything looked good. And voila!
So here we are, sitting on our brand new bench cushion.
And it was so easy to make. Like we said, 4 simple steps, probably less than an hour of your time.
So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to click the subscribe, the like, ring the bell for future notifications, and check out our list of materials down below.
And if you're not watching this on our website, head over to justmydiy.com for other tips, tutorials, backstories, and more. Thanks for watching.